you are vibrationally giving the cells instructions. For example, I'm not good at this. You're telling the cells that, and the cells tell the other cells, hey, we're not good at it, y'all. Sympathetic vibration is when two like-weighted objects are in the same room. When one is struck, like a tuning fork, for example, anything else in the room with the same weight and vibratory frequency will also start to respond. You say, I want to be great. The karma that you're creating is an experience that will help you be great. It doesn't mean it's going to be a good one. It means that it's going to be something you need to help you get to that place of greatness. I want to practice kindness. They were here, practice on this. Missed your flight. They took your seat. What you gonna do? Yeah, so I think that is how it works in my